Peekaboo! Peekaboo Rhymes TV.
E for elephant, big and strong, walking slowly all day long. E for elephant, kind and sweet, big round ears and giant feet. Elephants walk through the trees, moving gently in the breeze. Long trunks swinging to and fro, through the jungle they will go. Baby elephants love to play, running happily every day, splashing water in the sun, making bath time lots of fun. Elephants love fruits to eat, every bite is such a treat. Big gray elephants we can see, standing proudly near a tree. E is the letter we all know, E for elephant helps us grow. When we learn our ABC, elephant is fun to see. Elephants walk, elephants play, learning something new each day. Strong and gentle, brave and bright, elephants are a lovely sight. Big ears flapping in the air, happy elephants everywhere. Mom and baby side by side, walking proudly with great pride. Through the jungle near the stream, like a happy little dream. E for elephant, loud and clear, let's all say it with a cheer. E for elephant, E for elephant, happy giant elephant. Strong and friendly, kind and bright, elephant